I'm not intimidated by your agencies. But the champion of the Muslim, the Jamaican Kana Samo, Roots, you were kind of Purabu Piatino Namate, Tan Yamanu Atino Namate, cannot put one at the Chikura Branda Band, Tifegets or Moto, Dopano to Astana, Nagumiamus, Dopano to Akunas Mexican Fosca, they play, Dopano is not going to quite play, Dopano is Siparamari no book, Sakatan or looking at Mam. And any more to the Maniquats. This time we are going to operate Nemotorim. Don't say Elijah. And we see something quite a Jezebel, a woman of influence. Great influence, yes, influence of wickedness. Kujivana from the Lord. Saka uyeti kazile chimari chatino namata, chatino gazika chinemeso, chinenzele batachinzwe, chinemeso batachione, chinemutumbi batachigode kufambi, chato yako remeza mana wachitaka. Kutamara pasimuka rudzi runenge rumwe chete, rwauya pano manerwana, rudzi rumwe chete, rusina kukokerwa nemunhu. The only Lord's prophet left. That Oya didn't dare Gamutzinza Mose, didn't dare Gadasara, I will not compromise. Chakunza Panene, Zina Jagamukopa, Chakunza Panene, Zapaunota, Chakunza Panene, you really know the battle that you're fighting. Kuzamara Penta Wechete, I don't care that there are 450,000, there are 450 prophets of Asia. I don't care, I'm not intimidated by numbers. I'm not intimidated by fire. I'm not intimidated by challenges. I'm not intimidated by darkness. I'm not intimidated. I'm not intimidated. The moment you put more fire, the moment I grow, the moment you put more fire, the moment I advance, the moment you put more fire, the moment I open the door. Well, now we're in Facebook. Somebody, that's why you're here. That's why you're here. Then if you come, come, somebody, float. We are not going to be intimidated. Can you try to do the spirit right now? We are not going to be intimidated. Come on, Tracy, come on, brother. Come on, somebody. I see a platform, you don't need a narrow. You're going to check one video. Mangwana chineta madai 4. Shoto Satan. Usikawati eke. Shoto Satan. Lakini zamani mangu nikakipaya mjana kwa ndai chema. Moto wakati zisabu simba mgene. Shokuti this time atichafunduka. Tunaga na imise moto makawanda. Lakini nilokuna ima kawanda. If Elijah will challenge 850 prophets, everyone. Let's keep going to my channel to show us how. Let's keep going to Dara. She's number one day. She's number one day. If Gabunda no in Banamani, I don't believe I will not compromise. I don't remember what Gazgachimari. What you want to say, Gachina Mat? What people are mambo Shabatau? Paulino, what the people of Govanara? They will be Satana, Guru, Farabro.